Hi, folks. I'm Girish. I'm studying 11th grade in Melhua International School, Hyderabad. I've created a new legal law assist chatbot which helps all the members of the legal judicial system of our country, which includes judges, lawyers, and all the legal assistants. So, in the current scenario, law and judicial system is the main and the vital part of our government. It's one of the oldest method to maintain law and order and punish those who are guilty and protect the weak. Therefore, over years, same type of questions and situations and scenarios repeat over time. The collection of the data or the information from the old sources and compiling according to the present scenario is a huge and challenging task. Even passing a judgment is also very complicated and challenging, as the judge himself needs to collect all the previous judgments of his predecessors on the particular type of case. So, what if there's an AI assistant that's capable to collect and provide appropriate information regarding their prompt situation? So I also collected the statistics about this. So therefore, these artificial intelligent machines are yet to be implemented in the judicial sector. There are many chatbots, but those chatbots which are programmed specifically for this purpose are minimal. In the fast-paced world of legal practice, efficiency and accuracy are paramount. Legal LLMs aim to be the indispensable tool to lawyers and all the legal assistants, providing the comprehensive and intelligent system to streaming their workflow. Legal law assistance reduces the number of pending cases and gives a huge spike of number of arbitrations and other legal practices across the country, which can be completed in one day. In the present scenario, junior advocates gather the information. They discuss this information with the senior advocates, and they together sit and compile the information and mold it in the way which they want to use for their clients. This takes, which includes preparation, collection of information, to and uh, to and pro interactions with the peers, and also discussion with the clients. The collecting case data by the client is very difficult, as he or she may know little or no knowledge about the case and the legal system. So I propose a solution that we implement of legal LLM, then integration with the existing legal database and repositories to provide the intelligent database to lawyers. Development of user-friendly interfaces that allows easy interaction with the chatbot, reduces the time and increases the quality of work. By implementing these solutions, the judicial system can enhance the efficiency and reduce the backlog of the cases and provides quicker and more accurate judgments. It's important to note that AI can support legal professionals. It should not replace the critical human judgments required by the legal process. The goal is to create a hybrid system where AI and human expertise work together to improve the judicial system of our country. Some features of my legal LLM are it can gather all the relevant court proceedings and other case data and judgments which are quite similar to the case which we advocate may be dealing with. It can gather all the relevant data about the type of cases and frame it into a neat notes and key points. This feature can be used dually by the judges and the advocates. It can help the judges to release appropriate and swift judgments about the particular case he or she is dealing with. The multi-language support, affidavits for lawyers, case orders, judgments by jury will also definitely which will turn them into a favorite legal body, saving a lot of time and money.
Show you my new chatbot which I've created. It's a complete legal question queries and question answering chatbot. This chatbot enables us to ask any question and it gives a swift response to any question. So let me share my screen. Let me share my screen so that we could see the R chatbot. 1 minute. Okay. So I've used Botpress media to create my chatbot. Over here, you can clearly see it's a huge chatbot which I've tried to create in the first phase. I've linked it with Stack AI and used many variables to do it. But there was a huge mistake and error which was occurring in Stack AI. As you already know, the Stack AI is not a free app. So I have faced many problems on it. But soon amended my issues by making another chatbot, which is better than it. Over here, I've cleverly used agents like a knowledge agent. Over here, we could easily create a new knowledge agent, add knowledge base. This base contains all my data, which I use to uh, which I use to which I use to draw the data for answering the user queries. So let's see whether our chatbot works or not. So let's test it. So let's ask, what is Article 15? Okay, just a second, there's a typo here. Let's see how it answers the question, the query we have given. It states that Article 15 of the Indian Constitution prohibits discrimination on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or the place of birth. Let's see. Let's give another question. For example, format for sales deed. So this is the format for sales deed. So I've used, oh, I forgot to show you something. So basically, this is my data set, their knowledge base. Over here, I use many apps like Wikipedia, LiveLaw.in, and Indian Kanun, which all have different judgments regarding different values in regarding different data, which is collected over years of over years. This application helps a person to view. This application helps the user to get any legal advice or information regarding any legal issues. It can draft any legal documents on its own, give its draft any legal document, answer any queries. Thank you. Let's meet again.